Right, another wee update. I've finished it again. Well, put it to gear test 3. But yeah, so I've altered this. So now this is 60 odd mils between here and here. So it's a lot deeper, and it runs, when you look in there, if you can see, it runs all the way down and then straight onto the other mat. I've decided to leave this in for the meantime. I can actually bend that out the way when I want to, but I've decided to leave it in there just to see what that does on the inside. But when you look in here, so I've shrunk it down, so that goes right down in the middle. It's right down to the bottom, and the outsides have got the water, so it can go through there and through there. Not sure how that's going to affect. I presume what will happen is this flow will be faster and then this flow will be slower, but in theory I'm thinking what will happen is through here, there will be a line, the V line will run down here, and then through there. So I think this will be faster water, which will blend out and then come out to about here somewhere, which will cause that triangle effect. But I won't know until I try it, so we'll see. But hopefully, yeah, I'll try this one and see what that does. Yeah, hopefully we're going out tomorrow, so I'm not sure where we're going, but I will take it with us, and yeah, if I get to use it, we'll put the video up next week sometime. Alrighty, well, stay posted and see how we go. Alright, see ya.